Hello viewers, here is the new build for the bathroom window exhaust fan, and it came out really nice. The build was great, the quality is good, the design is very good, and it's well made and it's sturdy. However, I guess I underestimated the power of this particular fan, and it really is not quite suitable for this application. I don't know if it's because the shutter is a little bit too heavy or what, but it just doesn't quite have the power to really open the shutter as far as it needs to be. It will open it and air will flow out, but it's not as much as it should be. You can hear the fan is very resisted, and you can actually feel kickback coming all around the edge of the fan there. So it's really not working as it should be. I did an airflow test earlier today, and it's not actually moving nearly as much air as it normally does. And the major drawback is because it's inside this box, all that wind noise is amplified, and it's really quite noisy now. So, and the other problem with this build is that the window frame, you can see where the window frame stops, it can't go past that, and so I have to have those things up there now to keep the exhausted air from coming back in from the top. So I think what I may do is I may try a different fan in here. I have one other fan in mind that may work. It came out of a stove range, so it's kind of meant to be, you know, ducted and forcing air through shutters and things like that. So that may be a better fit for here. Of course, that fan is louder, so it may end up being the same, but I think what's going to happen is, because the shutter and this box come off very easily, so I think what's going to happen is during the summer when the weather is nice, I will just remove the shutter and remove the box and use it as I had it before, and I'll just reserve the shutter and the box setup for, and quite possibly maybe with the other fan even, for when the weather is not that nice. So I'll go ahead and run it up here real quick. I'll turn it on. And you can hear how, if you watch the other videos, you'll hear how it sounded a lot better. It sounds very resisted. The shutter is open, but it's not open very far. Actually, let's go take a look at it from outside. Okay, here's what it looks like from outside. And you can see that the shutter is open, but it's not opening very far. And I think that's proving to be somewhat problematic. So I think the next thing I'm going to do is try that other fan and see if it works better. But this design, unfortunately, just does not work very well.